Okay, so Keystone Financial is an independent equity research firm. So what we do is we do independent stock analysis for our clients and make recommendations on individual securities. And my area of specialty for Keystone Financial is in dividend growth stock research. So when I say dividend growth stock, what that means, that's a company, an equity that pays a dividend, but is also reinvesting a significant portion of their cash flow in excess of those dividends so that it can grow its earnings, grow its cash flow, and grow its dividends over time. We started the dividend growth stock research approximately 8 years ago, and what we saw is we saw an opportunity because investors weren't getting the appropriate amount of yield from fixed income investments. So with interest rates being so low, it became extremely difficult for investors to generate any type of income in their portfolio. And so what we do is we look for companies, individual companies in a wide variety of industries. So those range from things like energy infrastructure, utilities, technology, industrials. We look for individual companies that are doing extremely well in their businesses, that are growing their businesses, paying a sustainable dividend and attractive yield to investors, and then offer attractive value. And we advise investors to purchase companies and look to take a time horizon of approximately 1 to 3 years or more when they're investing in these companies. And essentially what happens is as these companies pay dividends and they grow these dividends, the investors benefit from those increased income streams, but they also generally benefit from capital appreciation as well. And we found this strategy to be extremely successful in the market. There's a lot of interesting types of businesses out there for people to invest in, and what stock investing does for these people is it provides them with an opportunity to benefit from growth in certain segments of the economy and to achieve their financial goals as well. So what we've done is we put together a program that we're going to talk about at the Money Show. This program essentially teaches people to invest. It essentially takes a person who is a novice or an experienced investor and it helps to augment their skills in line with what we do. So what our goal is at the Money Show is to provide the attendees with a basic but very powerful suite of tools that will allow them, help them to identify opportunities in the stock market, to manage their own portfolios and make their own investment decisions, and to perhaps most importantly, to manage risk. We find that there's a bit of a misunderstanding amongst investors when it comes to dividend investing, that dividends are boring, low growth companies, when the reality is in fact that is actually not the case, that there's many exciting high growth opportunities in the dividend space. And one of the things that we're going to show people is that over time, dividend companies actually massively have outperformed their non-dividend counterparts. So we're gonna show investors how this has happened, and we're gonna explain to them how to pick, how to select different investments within the dividend growth stock space, and also within other areas like small cap growth stocks as well, and how to put together a portfolio which is going to beat the market. So this is something that we've been doing at Keystone in the small cap space as well for approximately 20 years now, and this has been a very successful strategy for our clients. We have learned a great deal over this 20-year period, and what we are going to do is we're going to teach people what we have learned. We're going to arm them with those tools so that they can make investment decisions for themselves. Even if they're using an advisor, they can take that knowledge and they can make the best decisions for themselves so that they can be successful while investing.